May question, sir?
Morning, sir. So far, sir, no question. Based on the last presentation.
Okay. No more questions.
Okay, so since there are no more questions, so we'll give you our back secretariat for the further details during the bid opening.
So, good morning. I'm presenting to you the checklist of technical and financial documents. For the legal documents, we need a valid full registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with section 8.5.2 of the IRR. Attach the following: UTI, SEC, your business permit, tax clearance, and audited financial statement. For technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government or private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Supporting documents are the following: copies of the contracts, and if there is no contract, the purchase order may be submitted as long as the terms and conditions are included. Copies of the notice of award, copies of the notice to proceed, and for private contracts, no one indication not be required. For next, statement of the bidder's SLCC or similar large completed contract, similar to the contract to be bid. For the SLCC, the bidders, as similar to the contract to be bid, should have been completed within 10 years prior to the deadline for submission and receipt of bids. The bidder must have completed within a period of 10 years from the submission of the bid, unless a shorter period is indicated in the application to bid. An SLCC that is similar to the procurement project to be bid and whose value adjusted to current prices using the Philippine Statistic Authority, consumer price indices must be at least 50% of the APC. In the alternative, bidders are allowed to present a combination of contracts completed within the same period, provided that the total value is at least 50% of the ABC. Thus, the bidder should have completed at least one similar contract amounting to at least 25% of the ABC, and the bidder should have completed other contracts whether similar or not with an aggregate amount of at least 25% of the ABC. For the purpose of similar contracts, bidder should have completed contracts that are classified as any contract for planting and production of furniture, group, modular, other than limited. The bids will be valid for 120 days from the bid opening. So let us continue for checklist 2, sir. And that is for the statement of singular distributed contracts. The statement shall be supported by the copies of the end user's acceptance or UR or issued of the contracts. Then, Or the next requirement is the original copy of the bid security in the form of surety bonds, and make also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission, or original copy of the notarized bid security declaration. Next, conformity with the technical specifications which may include production, delivery schedule, manpower requirements, and other after-sales parts if applicable. Original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, and if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate. In case of corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and to act as represent the bidder. Financial documents, the prospect bidder's competitions of net financial contracting capacity or a committed line of credit from a universal or commercial bank in lieu of its FCC qualifications. For Class B documents, if applicable, a duly signed joint venture agreement in case of the joint venture is already in existence, or duly notarized statement from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the GBA and instance that the bid is successful. For financial component envelope, the original duly signed and accomplished financial bid form and original duly signed and accomplished price schedules. Special conditions of the contract. The project sites are defined in section 6 of the schedule requirements. So the procurement entity's address for notices is the delivery terms applicable for these contracts are delivered in 30 working days to DepEd Division Office Cotinay Prosperidad San Luzon through our supply officer. For the schedule of requirements, all lots, the delivery schedules the contract duration shall be 30 working days commencing 7 calendar days from the receipt of the notice to proceed. Technical specification presented to Ukraine. And we also have our new forms, template of our bidding forms. No, we have this in our section 8, the Philippine bidding document related forms. So kanina ato ang gamiton, sir, in terms of the bid security declaration form, omnibus sworn statement, price schedule for goods offered within the Philippines, and bid for procuring of goods. So kanina nato gamiton ng mga template. And also, please read instruction to bidders for your preparations of your bidding documents to be submitted on December 22, 2025 at the conference room, Division Office Cotinay Prosperidad Agusan del Sur, before 9 a.m. So conference room as submission of the bidding documents. We also accept online deposit of your payment for the bidding documents. You are free to download or to secure bidding documents, provided that before the deadline, you shall pay the bidding documents corresponding to the lot number that you are going to do. And also, to supply. And also, for the submission of the bidding documents, we will only require 3 copies. 1 original, financial, and technical, and another 2 copies, certified true copy. So, tulo ka financial, tulo ka proposal, and isa na is the original.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, I think what I'm saying,
Okay, so thank you, Hardy. So any comment from our prospective supplier on the details discussed by our secretariat?
So, Roosevelt,
Good morning, Madam Chair. I
Good
have,
morning. Yes, sir.
good morning. I have a few questions
Yes.
to validate.
Go ahead, sir.
Number one, with the first search with documents, may we have the meeting documents held to us as well upon emailing the document?
Defense.
Sir, available po ako ang meeting documents on our Philips modernized account. You can log, na-access naman yung modernized account.
Yes, sir. Na-download na doon tayo, sir.
That is the bidding documents. Then, on or before
Okay.
9 a.m. of December 22, before you drop, dapat bayad na ka sa bidding documents para ang dawa ng mga bidding docs. And then, expect
Yes, sir.
also that,
Okay, sir.
yes, yes, sir.
How did you receive by email sa mga nilalagay sa mga
Ano sa sir?
email?
Ang email address.
We would like to ask for an email address of the bank.
Yes,
Or
sir.
to send bank. But to payment from the bank.
You can, sir, you can screenshot, you can, there is already provided on the bank details on, sir, on the ITP.
Proof of payment. We will be
Yung
sending-
proof of payment, yung
We
proof
will
of
be
payment.
sending back.
Yes, sir, isend niyo po sa email namin. Mag-send po ako ng email sa iyo.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And then, sir, last question, sir, with regards to the alternative SLCC. Can we have, sir, alternative which 25% for one previous successful bid, and then the other 25% na completion. Sir.
For the SLCC, dependent on population. And as long as related to the budget.
Yes, sir. In the alternative, bidders are allowed to present a division of contracts completed within the same period, provided their total value is at least 50% of the ABC. Thus, the bidder should have completed at least one similar contract amounting to at least 25% of the ABC. And letter B, the bidder should have completed other contracts, whether similar or not, with an aggregate amount of at least 25% of the ABC.
Yes, sir. Noted po, sir. We will commit to that po. Thank you. And last, sir, last question.
Okay.
Sir, Madam Chair, are we required to be physically present to the vote? Or can we attend online instead?
You can attend online, sir.
Okay, sir.
What
Thank
about,
you. That will be
ano?
you all, sir.
You can attend, sir, you can view the bid opening through our Facebook because we will be live streaming the proceedings.
Noted, sir. Duly noted. Thank you. And we will be sure to drop the bid on or before 9 a.m. Before 9 a.m.
Yes.
Of December 20.
Sir, and also, we also have to issue the bid bulletin requiring our bidders to present sample of each item of the project being bid.
Yes. Yes, sir. Would you require, sir, the sample to be delivered to your office?
Before the day.
You would like to get the address, sir, so that we can deliver one sample for each the item.
Yes.
My answer is I believe. Yes, sir.
Sige, sir. And also, we will also maybe issue a big bulletin on the packaging.
Okay, sir.
The people's all proponent of this practice. That's all, sir. My
And sir, if I may, sir, also
Yes, sir.
with the distribution, sir,
Distribution is.
is it to be delivered to one location only?
Yes, sir.
Things
One,
like
yes, sir. One location only at the supply office, division office. But as to the packaging,
Julie now.
we will consult pa with the proponent and will issue a big bulletin after that.
Julie now, then, sir, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. So, any more?
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, welcome po, sir. Any more comment or reactions from the back members? So, hearing none from our secretariat, any more things to add up? Okay, wala na. So, since there are no things to discuss, from our technical working group, Ma'am Nemilu, is there any comment? So, no more comment, no more reactions, both from the back members, the technical working group, and our proposed or prospective supplier. So, any motion from the back members in the next schedule that we will be having? Okay.
Madam Chair, with a successful pre-bid conference, I move that we push through with the next schedule for bid opening. That will be scheduled by
December 20.
December 22, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Second the motion. Doc Arlene, so it was moved by Sir Doc Jeffrey and Doc Jolie, seconded by Doc Arlene, that the bid opening will be on December 22 at exactly 9 o'clock here in the Mahalsay Conference Hall. However, 22 was scheduled here. We just discussed with the schedule. 22.
We have to work back to one number.
But we will stay here, they will, it's like a weeks. So, ipisiwan lang sa sila sa morning. So our schedule will be, again, it's on December 22 at 9 o'clock here in Manhattan Secondary. So, since there are no more things to discuss, any motion for the adjournment of the pre-bid conference?
Chair, I want to adjourn the pre-bid conference.
I second the motion.
So it was moved and seconded, and our pre-bid conference is adjourned.